Deep in the lush rainforests of Papua New Guinea lives the world's most spectacular performer, the bird of paradise. But looking this good isn't just for show. Males must compete in high-stakes beauty pageants to win a mate. Watch as he transforms into a vibrant living masterpiece, snapping his feathers and dancing with rhythmic precision. Nature's ultimate dedication pays off, as these dazzling displays ensure the survival of these living jewels. Nature is truly the greatest artist. Which bird is your favorite? Like and subscribe for more wild wonders.